A cellular phone company charges $35.75 per month for the first 700 minutes, plus 15 cents for each additional minute after that. If a customer's bill was $41.72 for the month,
Excuse me, Mr. Skinner?
if a customer's bill was $41.72 for the month, tax not included, how many additional minutes were used? Step 1 to solving this problem is to recognize that the amount they were charged is more than the minimum. So that means they actually went over. So what the bill was is $41.72, and subtract from that what the minimum amount would be. So do that now on a calculator. 41.72 minus 35.75, and come back with 5.97. Now that 5.97 represents how much more additional they were charged because they went over their minutes. Now to find out how many minutes they used, divide that amount by the 15 cents per minute that it costs when you go over. And you should get back 39.8. We're going to round these to the nearest minute, so it would be an answer of 40. A cellular phone company charges $50.99 per month for the first 1,200 minutes, plus 11 cents for each additional minute. If a customer's bill was $71.25 for the month, tax not included, how many additional minutes were used? Start with the amount that they were billed, $71.25, and subtract from that the amount the bill would be if they did not go over, $50.99. So $71.25 minus $50.99 is $20.26. To figure out how many minutes they used over their amount that they are allotted, divide $20.26 by the 11 cents per minute that it costs if you go over. And that comes out to be 184.1818 and on out. Round it to the nearest minute, which is 184 minutes. A cell phone company charges $45 per month for the first 900 minutes, plus 20 cents for each additional minute. If a customer's bill was $60 for the month, tax not included, how many additional minutes were used? Start with 60, which is what they were billed, and subtract 45 to get 15. 15 divided by the 20 cents per minute when you go over. 15 divided by 20 cents is going to be 75 exactly. A cell phone company charges $62.95 per month for the first 1,500 minutes, plus 35 cents for each additional minute. If a customer's bill was $102.77 for the month without tax, how many additional minutes did they use? Start with what was billed, which would be $102.77. And then subtract $62.95. You should get back $39.82. Now divide $39.82 by the 35 cents per minute when you go over. You'll come back with 113.7714 and on out. The nearest minute is 114.